my home. It's sad waking me up. Still coughing like Darlene Alexander. Or Daniel Hatcher's grandmother's dead husband. Stop trying to separate me from my stuff. Damn it! And I have a right to smoke my cigarettes without you putting other people on me. Why can't y'all die? Why the fuck are you trying so hard to fucking kick my kids' spirits off my body? I don't recognize it at all. And I know that it causes blackouts because you're pulling the fucking shadow memory of mine out. And then my fucking jackets are like perfect. Oh my god, and you goes out of here. I don't recognize it. I only see Corey Taylor or some biker calling me mom. I'm not your mom. I don't know who you are. It's making me mad. Why are y'all competing for my dogs? Why? I do not want to play games with Slipknot and fucking argue until the day I die and wake up at a different time. I'm gonna call you con artist and fraud. Can you die? Ugh.